Hi there, my name's Gabe, and today I'm going to try to convince you that you don't need more algorithms to get better at 3x3. Sure, algorithms can cut down your times, but that's not the only thing that can help. Right now I'm doing an average of 5 using beginner's method the same way I teach it. I hope this will show you that simply by practicing and improving your finger tricks and understanding of the cube, you'll be able to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 40 seconds. There are even some people who can use this method and get a sub 30 average. What I'm trying to say is that practicing the algorithms you already know and mastering the techniques that you've already learned should be a priority, not learning new algorithms. In permutating the last layer, you can learn how to do the J-perm in under 2 seconds quite easily and U-perm in about 1. So even if you have to do 2 J-perms and 3 U-perms, which is the worst case scenario, you can cut your PLL time down to around 7 seconds. Even if you learned all 21 PLLs, the time it would take to remember how to do them and how to execute them would take the same amount of time or longer than practicing the ones you already know. In OLL, F sexy F prime can be done super quickly with the right execution, and so can Soon. Instead of learning more algorithms, it would benefit you more to recognize what Soon will do to the pieces in all 7 yellow cross cases. When doing the first 2 layers, beginners use 2 algorithms, but most pros use 0, and rely on their knowledge of the cube to perform F2L. Intuitiveness is just as important in solving cubes as algorithms are. I'm not saying don't learn new algorithms, I'm saying that you should be an expert at what you already know before you move on. Otherwise, the foundation that you base all these new algorithms and concepts on will be weak. And without mastering the basic things, you won't be able to use the full potential of any new methods or algorithms you learn. In these solves, I use my knowledge of color scheme in order to put the cross pieces in very quickly. My ability to do F2, R2, L2, and B2 moves without rotating the cube saves me a lot of time. This also helps me quickly and smoothly start the next step, putting in the white corners. Since I understand how the cube works, I know that there are only 8 places a corner can be, so I look in those places. I can easily find the pieces I want to because of this. After that, I know how to insert an edge with my right hand and left hand in the front slots and the back slots. When I look for edges, I also look at the centers and can use my color scheme knowledge to quickly put the edge where it needs to go so I can quickly perform the algorithm to match the two together. If an edge is stuck in the wrong slot, instead of taking it out the right way, I look to see where the right edge is so I can insert it also while pulling out the other edge. For first 2 layers, I don't know any more algorithms than you do, but I can perform the same steps that beginners do faster because of experience and practice. In orientation of the last layer, I use U moves to set up the case instead of rotations. I can also do F sexy F prime and Soon very quickly. These are some of the fastest algorithms you'll learn, so make sure you practice them and learn the correct finger tricks in order to execute them quickly. One thing I could benefit from is memorizing what Soon algorithm does to each scenario in the yellow cross, so I don't have to think and can simply turn the cross and do the algorithms without stopping. Finally, the reason my PLL is faster than beginners is simply by practicing the algorithms and getting quicker at them. The only way to get faster at these algorithms is to practice them and do them faster and faster. That's really all you need to get sub 40. Just a lot of practice. There are plenty of YouTubers who can answer all your questions and give better tips than I can, so I suggest finding them and watching a few of their videos. I hope I've convinced you that solving the 3x3 is a lot more than just algorithms. It takes practice and hard work to become faster at solving. Thanks for watching.